Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Healthy Hair 101. It's your girl, Sarah, and today I have a super interesting story to share with you all about my experience with a DIY avocado hair mask. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive right into it. Okay, so it all started when I was scrolling through Pinterest, and I came across this amazing looking avocado hair mask recipe. It claimed to be super nourishing and hydrating for your hair, and you guys know how much I love trying out new hair care remedies. So I thought, why not give it a shot? I went to the store, picked up some ripe avocados, and got to work. The recipe was pretty simple. Just mashed avocado, a bit of honey, and some coconut oil. I mixed it all up, and it smelled divine. I couldn't wait to slather it onto my hair. Before I continue, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All right, back to the story. So I applied the mask to my hair, making sure to cover every strand from root to tip. I let it sit for about 30 minutes and then it was time to wash it out. Now this is where things got a little messy. You see, I didn't realize just how difficult it would be to wash out all that avocado goodness from my hair. I must have spent a good 20 minutes in the shower, trying to get every last bit of avocado out. But let me tell you, it was so worth it. Once my hair dried, it felt incredibly soft and silky. I couldn't stop running my fingers through it. So, would I recommend trying out a DIY avocado hair mask? Absolutely. Just be prepared for a bit of a cleanup afterward, but trust me, your hair will thank you for it. All right, guys, that's it for today's story time. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my avocado hair mask adventure. If you've ever tried a DIY hair mask or had a similar experience, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and how it affected your hair health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!